Hi guys, Inktober time again. Guess what? We're about halfway through. We are now at the 16th of October. CPT technique, diSappear. And the technique of diSappear is where something goes into like a hole and then comes out again. I really like this technique. So let's do... Which piece of paper wants diSappear on it? That one? No. This one. I'm going to do some wrapping and some diSappear, I think. Okay. Something is going to go in here. What it is, I don't really know, but it's going to go in right here. And it's going to come out right here. Like that. And then it's going to wrap around. And it's going to come out over here. Like that. And then it's going to come out here. And it's going to go in here. Oh, I didn't do that right. Fudge puppies. Alright, so now it's going to have a twist in it. Ugh. Not sure what that thing is, but it's going in and out of whatever that is. Not got a clue. This needs a little shading because I ended up with this strange weirdo bend in it. I don't want it. Not even going to do any graphite shading. I'm just going to shade with the pen like this. A little extra darkness right there. Am I done? Yeah. So this is diSappear. There we go. My CPT technique of diSappear. It goes in, it goes out, it goes around, it goes every which way. I'm not too sure what it is, but it's flowing through that porous thingamabob there. This thingamabob looks like it needs more holes though. It needs some just holes that are just holes that are not got these guys. And these guys need to be a little more raggedy jaggedy. Why? I don't know. It's just telling me it wants it. So, I'm listening. Listen to your art. People will think you're crazy, that your art talks to you, but that's okay. That's what we artists are. We're a little all crazy, right? Oh, that's even better. Alright. Okay, I think I'm done. You guys have a great day. I will see you later. And we will continue on with our Inktober. Bye.